Sakafet. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a roast chicken. If you want to see how I do this, keep watching. So guys, let's get roasting. This recipe is very easy. It's one of those things, if you're in a rush, you don't want to fuss with the protein, this is a good way. Roast chicken, you can never go wrong with that. What I'm going to do is do a marinade and put it on the chicken and let it sit in that for at least a couple hours. First thing I'm going to do is put some olive oil in this little bowl. You just put about 2 tablespoons, I would say, okay? And I'm going to put this, and this is the salt that's going to salt the chicken. So you want to put a good teaspoon, I would say, and a half granulated garlic, another teaspoon. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, some granulated onion. So this is a sweet paprika, and this is going to give color and flavor as well. So we're going to put that here. We want to put a good teaspoon of that. I'm going to put a little bit of cooking wine. Now this is red cooking wine, but you can use the white. Actually, I'm going to put about a tablespoon of the wine. Almost like a paste. Guys, before I put the marinade, I'm gonna put some butter under the skin. This is gonna keep it nice and moist and also help it to crisp very nicely, especially under the breast area. So you're just gonna lift the skin up, but you wanna just push it down. We're gonna stick some here. So I just massage it under the skin. As it cooks, it's gonna spread. That's it. So next, I'm gonna take the marinade and I'm gonna rub it all over that chicken. Make sure it's nicely covered with the marinade. Give it a nice bath. That's what it looks like with that marinade. It smells so good. Just give it a good massage, guys, okay? That's all I'm doing. Rub it in really well. That's it. I'm gonna cover it up, leave it in the fridge for a couple hours, and it's gonna be really flavorful once it's done. What I'm doing next is gonna wrap it with some saran wrap, leave it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Let all those ingredients just marinate in there. Okay guys, so now my chicken has been marinated. I'm going to put it in the oven now, 425 degrees. And then I'm going to put it on a rack. And I'm just going to move it. And as you can see, I did cut it open. So it's going to cook even faster. See how it's sitting there? Like it's just sitting there. Like it's relaxing on a chair. Okay, so my oven is ready. I'm just gonna put that chicken in there. 1 hour, and I'll check it. Guys, the chicken is ready. It's been about, I would say, an hour and about 15 minutes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a seasoned butter that I'm gonna brush over it. So I'm gonna put some black pepper, a little bit of crushed garlic, and then I'm gonna put some dried parsley. And what I'm gonna do with that is just melt it. And now I'm just gonna mix it all in here. Get our chicken out of the oven. Look how beautiful that is, guys. Oh. Now I'm gonna put my butter all over that, the garlic butter. Oh, and that skin is so crispy, just plumping up there. A little bit of acidity. I'm gonna take this piece of lemon and just squeeze it all over. Okay, and I'm just gonna put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Is our chicken. Oh wow, that is good. 5 minutes with the butter, just for the skin to absorb all that garlicky flavor and the lemon juice. Look at that. I did put it back for another 15 minutes because I turned it over so I could get it nice and brown on the inside. And so altogether, I think it's been on for a couple hours, 2 hours. I'm just gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna cut it and plate it and show you what it looks like. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And here you have it, guys, our delicious roasted chicken. So until next time, have a great day and God bless.